talking to you about the waterfalls of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island in the Indian Ocean with romantic landscapes, misty mountains, lush forests and ocean-like tanks as well as gushing waterfalls. Sri Lanka was considered as the lost paradise in the Indian Ocean by many globetrotters of the past who fell upon the country, especially its beauty. These are some of the waterfalls in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka has over 200 waterfalls. The mountains of Sri Lanka are abound with gorgeous waterfalls which are the cynosure of all eyes. Visitors are mesmerized by the sheer beauty of these waterfalls, and many of them are unknown. They are hidden away in forests or in remote tea plantations. The beauty of it is because Sri Lanka is a country of 65,610 square kilometers. So there are more than 200 waterfalls actually which are recorded. There are lots of waterfalls which are not on records because it's difficult to reach them. So this is a large figure for a small country of its size. And also the waterfalls in Sri Lanka. There are many legends associated with these waterfalls. For example, if you take Ravana, a very famous waterfall in Sri Lanka, it's associated with the great epic of the East, Ramayana. Ravana was a powerful demon king and he ruled Sri Lanka. In the cave which is hidden behind the fall, there is a belief that Princess Sita was hidden after her abduction from India. So this is stated in the Ramayana. There are many reasons for Sri Lanka having many beautiful waterfalls. First is the natural elevation of the land, and also because there are lots of natural resources. Waterfalls can be seen from various angles and each angle more beautiful than the other. And also one waterfall is different and more beautiful than the other. The majority of waterfalls are located in the hill country. Ratnakura district has the highest number of waterfalls in Sri Lanka. That is, there are 109 waterfalls. Nuwara district has 75 waterfalls and Kegal district has 40 waterfalls. The second reason is Sri Lanka, although it's a small island in the Indian Ocean, it's blessed with 103 rivers and streams radiating from the central hills of the country. These rivers rush down rocky precipices from a number of places and they form a number of rolling waterfalls in various shapes and heights, and they add unique beauty to the hill country. Some waterfalls can be viewed with ease or can be trekked easily. Others can only be seen by penetrating thick forests and tea plantations because they are not easily reachable. Meanwhile, Singaraja Forest, which is a World Heritage Site, also has 19 hidden beautiful waterfalls. Some of these waterfalls are very high. For example, Dubiri Falls is the most beautiful waterfall in the Singaraja Forest. The ancient Arab traveler Ibn Battuta was mesmerized by the aesthetic splendor of these waterfalls. These are the waterfalls categorized by district. The Ratnakura district has 109 waterfalls, Nuwara district 77, Kegal 40, Kandy 20, Badulla 33, Galle 26, Abantara district 2 waterfalls, Kalutara district 22, Kurunegala district 26, Matara district 14 waterfalls, Mondragala district 4 waterfalls, Colombo district 4 waterfalls, and lastly Gambha district Luwa. These are the recorded waterfalls as I mentioned earlier, but there are many which are not recorded, which have not gone into this category.